Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to When We Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to use the swipe up link on Instagram without 10,000 followers. So let's go on Instagram. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to check, for posts that we want people to see, that we want people to, swipe up and see. So I'm just going to pick, a post, like a random one. Okay, we're going to use that. You see what I'm talking about? We're going to use that. So what you have to do now is that you have to go to your story. See that? Tap add to story. And then pick a video or photo from your gallery. Like anything, you know what I mean? Like anything that you want your audience to, to see, and then you make them swipe up, you know what I mean? Now, do you see that right there? You have to tap that, and then you'll see this. That's where you add link, you swipe up link. And then you choose any video that you want to add. And then we're gonna add the nice swipe up text, you know what I mean? So we're gonna add some sauce. We're gonna add some sauce on the gram, you know what I'm saying, on the story. So yeah, I'm gonna put that there. Just adjust it a bit. Yeah, that's about right. And then post it. You know what I mean? Post it. But then you have to understand, like, after you post it, just wait for it for a bit. Just refresh your page, refresh it, and you can go on any other account to check the results. Do you get what I'm saying? Even on your account as well, check the results, and then it'll come out like this. Now check it out. Boom, it's there. You see that? Now we're gonna show you how it works. Look at that. It's nice, right? Look at that. Oh my God, it works, right? It works. Yeah. It works. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I hope this helped you out, and please like and subscribe for more content. All right, let's go. Thank you for watching. Let's go.